Why Week 3 is the hardest. Welcome back to Motivation Monday, Week 3. Breaking the gaming addiction. Most people fail at Week 3 because they try to fight boredom with willpower. And willpower always loses. Hold up, before I show you this tool, do me a quick favor. If you're getting value from these, smash subscribe right now. Why wait? It's free and it's literally how you help me keep bringing you these tools. Let's get into it. Today I'm not going to tell you to just push through it. I'm going to show you the Dopamine Pivot, the exact system that makes your brain actually want to stay offline. If you're feeling empty, restless, and like real life is boring right now, good. That means it's working. This is day 21 of quitting gaming. Let's rebuild. The wall. Week 1 was hype. You were motivated. Week 2 was hard, but you had momentum. Week 3 just feels empty. If you quit gaming and now everything else feels boring, school, hanging out, even your hobbies, you're not broken. You're right on schedule. The void. This is what I call the void. And today we fix it. Think of dopamine as your motivation chemical. Gaming gives you a massive, instant spike. Like this. Real life is different. Going for a run, finishing homework, having a real conversation. It gives you a small, slow, steady rise. Like this. When you game for years, your brain gets used to the huge spike. So, when you quit, normal life feels like nothing. It feels boring because your baseline is completely fried. That's the Week 3 slump. It's not a lack of discipline. It's chemistry. The strategy, the dopamine pivot. So, you can't fight boredom with willpower. You have to pivot it. You need a high-value replacement. Not just any distraction. It has to hit 3 checks. You are trying each one. Show the awkward/boring start to make it relatable. 1. Physical, the reset B-roll. Push-ups. Walk outside. Your brain lives in your body. 20 minutes of movement is the fastest way to raise your baseline dopamine without a screen. It doesn't have to be a gym. 2. Creative, the builder B-roll. Journaling, sketching, music, gaming made you a consumer. You need to become a builder. Writing, drawing, building something with your hands. It gives you that slow, earned dopamine hit that actually lasts. 3. Social, the real XP B-roll. Meeting a friend, no phones on table. This is the hardest one. Your brain is craving fake social wins from games. You need real ones. One face-to-face conversation. No phones. The trick is you don't wait until you feel like doing them. You do them to change how you feel. The challenge. Here's your 7-day pivot challenge to get to Week 4. Day 1 to 2. The physical pivot. 30 minutes outside. No phone. Day 3 to 4. The creative pivot. 1 hour building something. Day 5 to 7. The social pivot. 1 real-life hangout. Comment below which one you're starting with. Physical, creative, or social. I'm reading every comment. That empty feeling? It's not permanent. It's proof your brain is finally healing. You're rebuilding the pathways to actually enjoy your life again. Next week is our final video, Week 4. The Victory Lap. How we lock this in so you never go back. You made it through the hardest part. Don't quit now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn that notification bell to all so you never miss a tool. Level up your real life. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers.